Hi everyone, in today's video, we will be checking out the Redkey P6 Vacuum Cleaner. It is an affordable vacuum cleaner built with high suction capacity, and is really lightweight based on the specs I saw before I got it. In this video, we will cover the features and test it out firsthand to see how it feels during use. The packaging feels solid and well built to protect the vacuum during transport. Let's crack it open to see what is included inside the product packaging. Inside the box, users will find one user guide to guide users on the product operation. Also included is a P6 hose machine, which contains the dustbin and motor for suction. A long nozzle is also included along with a floor brush roller for me to use it on my floors. A long flat suction head along with a round brush head is provided as an additional attachment to the main floor brush head for me to use in different usage scenarios. A mounting bracket is provided for me to mount the vacuum when not in use. All packed neatly in the product packaging. On first impressions, the Redkey P6 Vacuum Cleaner looks really compact in design. It is easily assembled as you see here by attaching the joints together, to become a fully functional vacuum cleaner. A really minimalistic and clean design in white. It has a long flat head, a round brush head and a flat suction floor brush head, each with a special design for different usage scenarios. It has an easily accessible dustbin where users can access it for ease of maintenance. Turn the handle to unlock the dustbin compartment. Once opened, lift up the filtration system. It is a 3-stage filtration system that has a HEPA filter which users can use to filter out small particles from escaping into the air and keep them in the dustbin while you are cleaning, ensuring only clean air gets out. The dustbin storage capacity is of decent size, to allow me to store a reasonable amount of dirt when I am using it. Easily assemble it back by inserting the filtration system, and capping the lid on before locking it in place to use it. Really convenient and easy to use design. It has an easy clip-on locking mechanism, to allow people to easily unlock once the attachment or nozzle is locked in place. Press and release. That's simple. Easy to assemble and disassemble. It has a lightweight design too. Easily carry or use it with one hand with the lightweight design, at only 2.35 kilograms, move it around with ease. The cable length is 23 feet which is really long, to allow for longer distance on a plug-in outlet. Just enough for me to vacuum the entire length of my living room. Simple, plug it in and get it powered up, easily press the power button to turn on and start vacuuming. It is easily maneuverable, where I can rotate, turn and use it all around the house in any direction I want it to go. Really easy. It can be used for multiple scenarios, like vacuuming my curtain. With a long nozzle, I can use it to brush and clean my curtains which are quite high up, or use it for my furniture like sofas for hard-to-reach areas with the flat head, in between sofa cushions, sucking up any dirt and trash easily. In this test, I will try using it to test the suction power of the vacuuming where I have a mess up front for it to clear. It sucks up small and large particles, great for wooden floors as you saw with ease. Just look at all the dirt and dust swirling around the dustbin while the product is in operation. Viewable through the small peek hole of the vacuum compartment. Clear up the dustbin after use. Just look at the dirt it collected from my test. Empty it into the bin and I'm done with my cleaning session. Quick and easy. Overall, I find the Redkey P6 Vacuum Cleaner a good vacuum cleaner for households looking for a vacuum cleaner which is lightweight, and multifunction with 3 different attachments to use. Find out more with the link in description. Thank you for watching.